This question is 183, question 12. Okay, page 183, question 12. In the diagram, PQRS are parallelogram. T is a point on SR such that ST is 1:2. So what I will do is that I would write down 1 unit, 2 unit. Q is on the point on QR such that QU is 1 and QR is 3 units. So if I were to write that down, 1 unit, and if this is 3 units, I can actually write down this is 2 units. Okay. Then PS is vector A, PQ is vector B. So express the following vectors in terms of A and B. But before that, we know that vectors, right? For parallelogram, these two is the same. Okay, same vector. So if PQ is B, we can also say that SR is B, vector B. Same thing if PS is the same vector as QR. And if PS is A, we can also say that the vector Q to R is A. Okay, so with that, we can have the basic picture of this question already. I can solve for PT. So how do I find the vector from P to T? So how to move from P to T? First step, I need to look for ST first. Because I want to move from P to T, I need to move from P to S, and then S to T. Okay, P to S, S to T. That's PT. So how to find ST? It is 1/3 of B. Okay, and with that, I can add this down. PT is P to S, S to T. And that vector, my answer will be vector A plus 1/3 B. Next question asking for PU. Same thing. I will walk from P. I'll walk from P to Q, Q to U. Okay, P to Q we know that it's vector B, but we don't know how to find, we need to find Q to U. So what is the vector of QU? Okay, that will be 1/3 of A. Okay, take a look at that. QU is 1/3 of A, vector A. And with that, P to U is P to Q, Q to U. Vector B plus 1/3 A. Next one, S, the vector S to U. So how do I move from S to U? There is 2 ways. You can move from S to R, then R to U, or you can move from S to P, P to Q, Q to U, since you already know Q to U, okay, from this here. So what I will take the longer route. I will take from S to P, P to Q, Q to U. So that's how I move from S to U. S to P, it is not A, but negative A because of the opposite direction. Okay. Then next, P to Q is vector B, and 1/3 of A, which is what we know about Q to U. Simplifying it, you get -2/3 A plus B. You might want to pause this video at this point of time to solve for U to T. Okay. Then take a look at how to move from U to T. So for me, since I already know how to move from S to U, I know how to move from U back to S. Okay, and then I would use this route. Let me erase everything. I want to move from U to S. I will move from U to U, U to Q, Q to P, P to S, and S to T. Long steps, but because we already know the value of how to move from each point to the other, I will just use this. Okay, so U to Q, -1/3 A, not 1/3 A, because opposite direction. You were to compare this, and this is opposite. Okay, so it's negative. Then negative b, same thing. It is negative for opposite direction from p to q, so opposite negative b. Plus a plus 1/3 b. Okay, and with that, I will get 2 over 3a plus 2 over 3b.